Where are you? It is time. We've always scheduled this moment to meet together to speak and learn Igbo language from all around the world. So wherever you are, it is time to start joining us. This is the Igbo Tutor live, Maazi Okafo. We schedule to meet every Saturday by this time, precisely in the next 5 minutes, 2:00 West African time or 13:00 GMT. We schedule to meet every Saturday by this time to have Igbo drill, and we title it Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. So wherever you are in any part of the world, you have been a member of this group or this class, you are subscribed to our channel, and you're interested in taking your Igbo learning to a higher level, a higher notch, this is where to be. Here, we challenge ourselves to measure our level of progress in learning Igbo language, to learn new words, new phrases, new sentences, and then expand our use of the Igbo language. This is a practical session. This is a time when we measure our progress. You might be watching Igbo lesson videos online through YouTube, but if you don't have any means of practicing what you have learned over time or testing yourself, you might not really know how much progress you are making. You might not know where you need more help or you need to put more effort. So it's important that you come to live classes to actually help yourself advance your Igbo learning endeavors. So you might be learning Igbo in any part of the world, but you might not have anyone to speak with you or to correct you. Those around you might actually be making jest of you, mockery of you when you try speaking. They're not ready to help you. They don't want to guide you. They only laugh and jeer at you when you speak. So by so doing, they discourage you from going further. So we began to run these live sessions through which we can help you to understand more and then to correct you where you are wrong and to measure your level of progress and help you to improve even fast. So wherever you are and you are seeing me right now, this is where to be. In the next 3 minutes, this class will start. This is actually a free live class of Igbo language that is available to you any part of the world where you reside. Provided you are seeing me now, you can easily join this live free class of Igbo language learning, practical learning. So begin to join us now. If you are seeing me, you are an Igbo partner, Igbo fiancé, you are born by Igbo parents, but you don't understand Igbo language very well. You will have Igbo friends, Igbo partners, business partners, colleagues in the place of work, a friend, a fiancé, whoever you are, but you are connected to Igbo or you are interested in learning Igbo language. This live free teaching is meant for you. So you need to begin to join this class now so that you will not miss any part of this important lesson. The earlier you join, the better for you and for every other person. So wherever you are, begin to join now because this class will start very soon, very, very soon indeed. So join up now. Let's do this together. This is the Igbo Tutor. Last week we began with, we moved to a new lesson series from last week, which is Igbo conjunction. So we don't want you to miss any part of it. Last week it was very interesting. The students cooperated and they learned a lot. In fact, most of them commented and then expressed satisfaction on how much they appreciated the lesson of last week, which began with the conjunction. So wherever you are and you've not joined this class, you need to join now. You are learning Igbo language through YouTube or through any other means. You have a private tutor, it doesn't really matter. Here, it is a free source. Here, it is a free class. Here, we help you as much as you want to guide you, to correct you, to, help you to measure your level of progress in Igbo and identify your weak areas and weak points and guide you right. So wherever you are, please begin to join now. Let's do this together. Waiting for you now. The Igbo tutor is live now, waiting for you to join the class. Where are you? I'm waiting. The next few minutes, this class will begin. So please, the earlier you join, the better. We have said we won't be wasting time waiting for other people. We already know our time, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 13:00 GMT. So when class starts, we will not be waiting too long for you to come in. You are supposed to know the date, know the time, block it off your calendar and create a time schedule for it so that when it is exactly the time, you will come to class. We need not to wait for you to come. So if you consider this important, you should make time for it. So I'm waiting for you to come on board now. Class will start very, very soon. In a few minutes from now, this class will begin. So where are you? All people, all members of my channel, all the people who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are supposed to be in this class. So, get further help, further assistance, and further guide on how you can learn even faster. So if you are subscribed to my channel and you are getting this notification now, you are expected to join. Those who join these live classes are bound to get further help and then advantage more than those who don't join. I recognize those who join this class are the serious students. So I go out of my way to help them even further. So where are you now? Join the class and let's do this together. Waiting for you now. Class is about to start. Where are you? Begin to join up now. Begin to join up this class. We are not going to waste a lot of time waiting for people to come in. So join, and as you join, you drop your greeting so we can welcome you officially to class. Where are you? I'm waiting for you now to join. Waiting for you to join the class so we can begin in earnest. We don't want to exceed our time. Most likely, I'm going to spend just 1 hour in this live class. So the earlier we join, the better. So we can cover enough ground before the 1 hour mark. So begin to join now. If you are already in the class, please drop your greetings so that we can pick your name and then possibly return greetings to you. If you're already in the class, okay? If you're already in the class, let us know you are in the class. Drop your greetings. Let's welcome you officially to class. Do that now. It's important that we can pick your name and drop our greetings to you if you're already in class. So drop your salutation. Okay, Chikezie McDonald is already in class. Chikezie, no, you are welcome. Okay, ana m ekele gị o, Chukwu gọzie gị, Chikezie. Yeah, you are welcome to class. Where are the rest of us who are in class? Drop your greetings so we can all welcome you to class. Yes, please drop your greetings. Say right in there, no, dalo, anything. Just say something as a mark of, registering your presence. When we register your presence, we can welcome you officially to class. Please drop your comments, mark your register by dropping a comment so that we can pick your name and know that you are in class today. That's how to mark your register. Just drop a comment, say no, dewo, dalo. Just write something. That way you've marked your register for today. So we know you're in class. Okay. Zoe and Young, no, welcome to class. Yes, about 6 of us are here, but I only got greetings for 2 people. So it's better you drop your greetings so we welcome you to class officially. That's how to mark your register. And if you're already in class, you know our rules. Our rules are that when you join class, you click the like button, you click the share button. That is a show of solidarity, a show of love, a show of support to your teacher and to the channel. So that is the least we expect from you when you join our live classes, which is free for everybody. So do that as you join this class and drop your greetings so that we can take off without further delay. We have spent close to 5 minutes now. So we're going to start any moment from now. At the mark of 5 minutes after 2, we're beginning. So we're not going to wait for anybody after that moment. Yes, 5 minutes, less than 1 minute now, we're beginning this class. So if you have not joined our class up to now, it means you're coming late. So we're going to start immediately in the next few seconds. So join our class. Igbo, you're welcome to class. No. Okay, so I have 3 of you that have dropped their greetings. Class captain, no, Eba. Yes, so class captain, Eba, Chikezie, he's the first one to join class today. So he's waiting for you. He doesn't want to give anybody that captainship. Okay, last week you stood in for him, but today he's standing gidigba for class. Okay, so I want to believe my audio is clear enough. Please indicate if it is before I begin. Indicate my audio is clear enough. Yeah, I need to know that. Yes, wherever you are and you have not joined this class now, you are going to miss part of this lesson. So wherever you are in any part of the world, okay, and you are hearing me or you're seeing me, you are fortunate. As far as you are interested in learning Igbo language, speaking Igbo language, this is the right place to be. You have to join this class now. This is a free class for every Igbo lover, every Igbo language learner, everyone at all who is connected to Igbo language, either by birth, by marriage, or by business, by friendship, whatever it is, and you are interested in learning Igbo language, this is where to be. We do this every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigeria time and 1300 GMT, free of charge. So you join up this class as we begin right away. And if you're joining, drop your greetings to mark your register so we'll know you're in class today. Yeah, now we begin. Last week, we began a new series, which is on Igbo conjunction, and we began dealing with it. The rule remained the same. We drop a conjunction, and then we try to see if we can understand the Igbo version of it. When we identify the Igbo version, which is also like saying the meaning of that word, then we move on to make a sentence using that conjunction. Last week, it was interesting. The class members participated fully, and we had a lively class. I also got feedback from many of us who said the class was very interesting. And I do hope that today we will also have a very good class. Those of you who are here last Saturday, I believe you will agree with me that last Saturday's class was very good. Now, you can remind me what was the last word we dealt with last Saturday, last conjunction we considered. Can somebody remind me now? Let me be sure we remember. What was the last conjunction we considered last Saturday? Okay, somebody said definitely the class was enjoyable. Okay, what was the last conjunction we considered last Saturday before we pick up today's own? What was the last word we considered? I'm waiting for that. If you've not joined this class now, I'm sure you're going to miss a lot today because we're moving on now. Okay, the last conjunction is dan, carrier, okay. Igbo, you're very correct. You've shown that you were the class captain last week, so you followed through and you took note also. That's very good. So we considered dan as the last word for last Saturday, and we made sentence with that word dan, which is carrier. Today, we continue with the first conjunction for today. And the first conjunction for today is whenever. 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 What is the word whenever in Igbo language? What is the word? When you hear whenever, what is that in Igbo language? Whenever. 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 Drop it in the chat. What is the Igbo version of the word whenever? Whenever. That is the word. Drop the Igbo version of the word whenever. Mbobola. Igbo has written. Anybody? I want to have more. We are about 8 in class. I wait for the response from other people. Igbo wrote Mbobola. Okay. Chinonyelum Jessica wrote Mbobona. Okay. Who else is dropping? Tochi Ehihioma. Oh, Tochi, no, you're welcome to class. Okay. Chikezie Mbobona or Ogobula. Okay, I'm waiting for others to drop their own. If you have not greeted us to mark your register in class today, you've not done well. I need to be sure of those who are in class. Although I'm picking some of you from your responses, but it's also good you greet us when you come to class so that we can receive you officially, just like Tochi did. That's very interesting. Tochi, you're doing well. Okay, remember our rules. As you are answering the question, if you have not hit the like button, if you have not hit the share button, you are not complying by our rules. You are not obeying your teacher's instruction, and that is not fair enough. So do those two things, hit the like button, hit the share button so that this video can go out to others who might be interested like you to also benefit. Okay, Chinonyelum Esikandeo, that's good. Chinonyelum, were you in the last class? Did you attend our last class? Just want to know. That name sounds familiar, but I want to be sure. Chinonyerum, did you attend our last class? Yeah. Okay. Waiting for your response. Chinonyerum, Zo and Young, Mbobola. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Those responses are good. So I want to see that. I want to say that those responses were correct. Mbobola. Some will use Mbobola. Some will use Mbobuna. So whether you use Mbobola or Mbobuna, both are right, depending on where you are writing from. So both Mbobuna or Mbobola, both are correct. Chinonyelum, you have not answered my question anyway. I'm still waiting for your answer. Okay, so both are correct. So we go straight to making a simple sentence with Mbobola or Mbobuna, as the case may be. Let's make a sentence. So you listen attentively to the teacher. I will make English sentence. No, I was busy, but I had attended previous classes. Okay, that's fine. I know that name sounds familiar. I think so. Thank you very much for coming back. Okay, now listen to the sentence. Listen attentively. The sentence is, I will give you whenever you come. I will give you whenever you come. Write this sentence in Igbo. I will give you whenever you come. Write this sentence in Igbo so that we can see how to apply the word whenever, Mbobula, in Igbo language. Yes, waiting for you to do that. Those of you who have not hit the like button and the share button, you are not showing that you're a friend to this channel. You are not showing you're a friend to your teacher, and that is not fair enough. Okay, Boyibo wrote, aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ịbịa. Okay, that's a good answer. Let's wait for others to drop their response. I will give you whenever you come. That is the sentence. Chikezie, aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ịbịara. Okay, waiting for others. Waiting for others. Waiting for others to drop their responses. I will give you whenever you come. Write the Igbo version. I will give you whenever you come. Yes, write the Igbo version. Yes, Chinonyere Jessica. M ga-enye gị mgbe ị bịa. Okay, good effort. Waiting for others to drop their response. I will give you whenever you come. I will give you whenever you come. Remember, we agreed that whenever is Mbobula or Mbobuna. Okay? Yes. Ngenye gi mgbe ị bịa. That's Jessica's response. 3 people have responded. What are the rest waiting for? Chimamanda Eze, welcome to class. Aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ị bịara. Okay? I've got Chimamanda's response. Yeah, any other person making effort? I will give you whenever you come. Any other person trying? Any other person trying? I will give you whenever you come. Anybody else trying? Tochi, where is your response? Tochi, I'm waiting for you. Write your own. Don't bother yourself whether it is correct or not. We will surely correct you if it is wrong. So just type something, just make effort, just contribute, just participate. That is important. Okay? So Tochi, drop your response. And if you are seeing us now, you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, you'll be learning Igbo language through YouTube videos or whatever, but you don't have anybody or any means of practicing what you have learned, this is where to be. We do this every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. This is a free source. This is what you should take advantage of to practice Igbo, to learn Igbo, and then advance your Igbo learning career or, endeavor. So Tochi say, I don't know. That's fine. So we do it now. Zoe and Young say, aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ị bịara. Okay. Okay. Now let's review your responses. Boyibo wrote first. Aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ị bịa. Good effort, but it's not ibia or ibiara. Mgbe ọbụla ị bịara. Although I know why you have a little confusion. You are looking at mgbe ọbụla ị bịa. You are looking at bịa as a present tense, and biara should be past tense in your own assessment. But in this case, we use biara in this case, right? So it's going to be mbobula ibiara, not mbobula ibia. Okay? So now we move on. Chikezero tagamenyegi mbobula ibiara. That is a perfect answer. Chinonye mge gi mgbe ibiara. Chinonye, if you have written mge gi mgbe ibiara, would have also mark it correct. Mge gi mgbe ibiara. Talking to Chinonye, that would have also be correct. Jessica, that would have also be correct. Mge gi. Okay, agam and nga enyegi, both are acceptable. Agam enyegi, mge enyegi, both are acceptable. Okay, but where you miss it is mbe. Your mbe is not correct. It's not mbe, it's mgbe. Talking to Jessica. Then e biara, I should have dot under it, and bia is biara, not bia. Eze Chimamanda, aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ị bịara. Perfect. Okay. Zoa Young, aga m enye gị mgbe ọbụla ị bịara. Perfect. Those answers are correct. So we go to the next one, and the next is whoever. The next conjunction is whoever. Whoever. Drop it now. What is the Igbo version of the conjunction whoever? Whoever. Okay. Why do we use the past tense here? Does igabia work also? No, igabia doesn't work. Igabia doesn't work. The past tense is used. There is no perfect explanation to say why we use the past tense version to this, but that is the way it's presented. I may not really have a perfect explanation to that. When you come. Of course, bia is present, biara is past tense, agreed. But in this case, it is biara that is used to convey that thought. I may not really have a perfect answer to why it is used, but that is what is used to convey that conditional, issue. Is a conditional discussion. I will give you something based on social condition, biara, when you come. So we need to accept it the way it is. Okay, we're talking about whoever now. Whoever. And we're saying we should drop the meaning of whoever in Igbo language. Whoever. And I have answers already. Chikezie onye ọbụla. Charles Ubochi onye ọbụla. Igbo onye ọbụla. Chimamanda onye ọbụla. Charles Ubochi. I guess this is the first time you are joining our class. Am I right? Charles Ubochi. Am I right? Please indicate. And then if that is the case, please, our rule here is that when you join, you greet us, and then you hit the like button and hit the share button so that this video can go out to others. That is the least you can do to appreciate our effort and support this project. Hit the like button, hit the share button. That's the least you can do. Okay, Charles, no. Maybe in a class, Charles, you can also install Igbo keyboard into your phone or computer by going to setting language, select Kwati Igbo keyboard, install it in your phone or computer. That way, you can always have the Igbo alphabets with dot under and dot on top, or as the case may be. Thank you, Charles, for subscribing to our channel. We appreciate. That's another assignment, and that's another requirement for those who are in our live class. You have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's important. And then go to our channel description. You will also see a link to our ebook shop where we have Igbo ebooks for beginners and for even those who are advanced. And those ebooks are special. They have both audio and text. Please take advantage of those ebooks. They are very helpful. So we go on. So if you are a new member of this class and you have not subscribed to our channel, do so. It's so important to us. Okay, move on. Okay, Igbo tik no daalụ onye nkụzi Igbo ibe m. Okay, Igbo tik no. I've checked your channel before and I saw you are trying, you're doing great work. Igbo tik no. You are doing a great work. Thank you for identifying with me in my efforts to appreciate your coming online to join our class, Igbo tik no. I've watched some of your videos, so I appreciate you are supporting us and showing solidarity. There. Okay, it's also good if you subscribe to my channel. Who knows, you can learn something from my channel, talking to Igbo tik no. Okay, Charles, I just stumbled on it. You are doing amazing work. Thank you, Charles. Thank you, appreciate that. Okay, Charles, remember to buy our ebooks. You go to our description of our channel and you see the link to our bookshop. Pick up a book there. It has both audio and text. And then those audios, you can download them for keeps and always listen to them even when you are offline. Do that today. That will help you so much. Thank you so much, Charles Ubochi. We move on now. Okay, etinyego m aka. Okay, daalụ Igbo tik no. Okay, we move on from here, and the word we're looking at is whoever, and we have identified is onye ọbụla. All your responses are colored. I will get the audio, email, okay? Not just the audio. The book has both audio and text. You have the two for the price of one, and it's so cheap. From $1 to $3, you buy any of them. So it's not just the audio. Okay, Charles Uboshi. Okay, so we look at onye ọbụla. Your answers are all correct. Okay. Onye ọbụla. Okay. So we move to making a short, brief sentence. It might not really be brief because we're talking about conjunction. So you have to be long to accommodate the sentence and the word we're looking for. And the word here is onye ọbụla, whoever. Okay. Let's make a sentence with this now. See how it will fare. It does not matter whoever comes. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Let's try this in Igbo language and see how it goes. It doesn't matter whoever comes. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Okay? Okay? Chikezie Madonna says, Charles, are you from Owerri? Charles, Chikezie, do you know any Charles from Owerri? Why are you asking? Maybe you know one from Owerri. By the way, Chikezie is our class captain for this our channel. So, especially for these live sessions, he's our class captain. So he is asking whether Charles is from Owerri. Charles, it's up to you to answer that question. But mind you, I have dropped the sentence. Okay? Obayuru onye ọbụla bịara. Okay, Charles say yes, I am. That means it's possible Chikezie knows this Charles. Okay. So we are flowing with our next sentence now. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Igbo has dropped her sentence already. The rest should do that immediately. Obayuru onye ọbụla bịara. Okay. Obayuru onye ọbụla bịara. Okay. I'm waiting for others. Drop your sentence. It doesn't matter whoever comes. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Drop your sentence. Yes. Only one sentence has come in from Igbo. Yes, I'm waiting for others. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Okay? Where are the sentences? They should flow in. They should flow in. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Drop the sentence. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Igbo wrote, Obayuru onye ọbụla bịara. Yes? Any other version? Any other version? I'm waiting for you. Drop your sentence now so that we can move to the next word immediately. Okay, Charles Ubochi wrote, Obayuru onye ọbụla bịara bịa. Okay, good effort. Let's hear from other people. Let's see what other people can do. Tochi wrote, Ọdịghị mkpa onye ọbụla na-abịa. Okay, I love this. That's a great new version to this. Onye ọbụla bịaranụ enweghị ihe o mere. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's Chikezie's own. Onye ọbụla bịaranụ onweghị ihe o mere. Okay, that's another version. We're going to look at all of them. But Tochi, I must commend your effort, young guy. Okay, ọ dịghị mkpa onye ọbụla na-abịa. Okay, it doesn't matter whoever comes. It doesn't matter whoever comes. Okay, okay, we're waiting. Any other version? Any other version before we mark? Any other version? I love the different perspectives we're having. I love that. It gives us a lot of room to talk and then understand some other things. Chimamanda or Biayuru Ure Onyo Bolabiara. Okay, I think this should be a typographical problem. Maybe you want to write Uru where you wrote Ure, talking to Chimamanda Eze. Okay, I guess as much. You want to write Uru, not Ure. If I'm right, correct yourself. Okay, so we've got about 5 or so responses. Are we expecting more, or we should go ahead to mark the script? Are we marking the script now? Any other person trying to say something? Okay, Ibotik, say something to us now. Say something to us. Okay, say something to us, Ibotik. Contribute now. I know you're a teacher, but you need to contribute. I thought as much because Charles wrote email and that. Okay, that is the typical of emo, especially over the zone. Okay, so that was how you caught Charles. Okay, okay, Ibotik say Anna May again. Okay, you just want to listen to us. That's fine. I hope you are taking notes also. Don't just listen. Take notes, Ibotik. Take notes. You might learn 1 or 2 things that are new, which you might apply in your channel too. Yeah, that's why we are colleagues. Okay, so don't just listen. Please be sure you have your pen and papers to write. Yeah, I'm sure you're going to learn something new here. Okay, so let's go on to mark because it appears no more response is coming in. Let's see. Okay, who says so? We check on your channel also. That's fine. That's the spirit. So Ibo said she's going to check on Ibotik channel. Okay, that's the importance of collaboration. We are family, so we are not averse to anyone. We're supporting each other to grow. So that's fine. So somebody is going to come to your channel, Ibotik, through this you are coming here now. I also want to tell you that by participating in our classes, you are also exposing yourself to other people to know you. Last week, we had live class. Igbo led the class. And through that, people went to her channel because of her performance, and they subscribed to her channel. About 7 people before the end of the class. You can see the importance of coming around, showing up, and doing something with other people. Don't just hide, okay? Now we move on. Let's see the responses. Ibo wrote, Obayuru onyobola biara. Okay, let's see that. Charles wrote, Obayuru onyobola biara bia. Tochi wrote, Odimpa onyobola na bia. Good. Chikeze wrote, onyobola biara no enweghị ihe o mere. Okay, actually, I love that. Okay, Obayuru Ure, I think Chimamanda, I said that should be a typographical error. Charles, but that was smart of you, Chikezie. Okay, Chikezie is a smart guy now. He's a class captain. I know he understands so much. So, right. Sherry Mango, the Sherry Mango, that's great. You are coming to class, even though you came late, but it's good you come, by the way. Okay, so actually, Chikezie is close to that. Onye ọbụla bịara onweghị ihe o mere. You can also say onweghị ihe o mere onye ọbụla bịara. Onweghị ihe o mere onye ọbụla bịara. Nsogbu adịghị onye ọbụla bịara. There are different versions of saying it. Onweghị ihe o mere. So you cannot say Obayuru. Obayuru means it's not important. We can't use that. It doesn't go with the sentence. You can't say Obayuru like some other people say. Like Igbo said Obayuru. Charles say Obayuru. Tochi say Odimpa. No, Odimpa is important. You can't say it's not important. What we're talking about here is that it does not really matter. It doesn't really affect anything. Whoever comes. It's not as if it's not important, it's not good. but it does not really affect anything. That is why Chikezie is the most closest person where he wrote, onye ọbụla bịara nọ, onweghị ihe o mere, onweghị ihe o mere, onye bịara. That's a better version. Onweghị ihe o mere, onye ọbụla bịara. Onye ọbụla bịara, onweghị ihe o mere. It does not matter, it does not cause any problem, it does not affect anybody, whoever comes. So, onweghị ihe o mere, please take note of that. It's the right beginning. You can start by saying, onye ọbụla bịara, onweghị ihe o mere. Or, onweghị ihe o mere, onye ọbụla bịara. So, whichever way you want to take it. But the truth is that it has to be onweghị ihe o mere, not ọbaghị uru. Ọbara uru. We want them to come. It's important to all that they should come. But it doesn't matter. It does not affect anything. Okay? So that is the best version of that sentence using that word. Next word is wherever. Wherever. What is the Igbo version? Wherever. Wherever. Yes. Okay. Enweghị ihe o mere onye ọbụla bịara. That's fine. Enweghị ihe o mere is also correct. Enweghị ihe o mere onye ọbụla bịara. That is also correct. Okay? That is also correct. Onweghị ihe o mere. Onweghị ihe o mere. Onweghị ihe o mere onye ọbụla bịara. Igbo, that version is also correct. But you can also use onweghị ihe o mere. Okay? Onweghị ihe o mere. Okay? We're moving on now. And we're now in the third one, which is wherever. Wherever. Okay? What is the version? What is the Igbo version? Igbo has written. Chikezie has also written ebe ọbụla. Igbo wrote ebe ọbụla. Oh, fine. You are writing well. Ebe ọbụla. Ebe ọbụla. Ebe ọbụla. Yes, any other person trying? Wherever. 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 Any other person trying? Two people have dropped their response. Waiting for others. Wherever. What is the Igbo version? Wherever. Okay, Tochi said ebe ọbụla. Perfect. Good. Yes, more responses. I'm waiting. Sherry Mango, ebe ọbụla. Okay, Sherry Mango, remember your OEM sticker. Don't think I forgot. You have to buy your sticker before you leave this class. Don't think I forgot that. Ebe ọbụla. Okay, ebe ọbụla. That is Charles Ubochi. Okay, ebe ọbụla. Any other person trying? Any other person trying? Any other person trying? Ebe ọbụla. Okay, your answers are correct. Ebe ọbụla is wherever. Okay, Zoan Young, ebe ọbụla. That's perfect. Charles Uboshi, I guess you don't have the Igbo keyboard yet. Am I right? If you don't have it, you can install it in your phone by going to phone setting, language, keyboard, select Kwati Igbo. You install it in your phone. You can also use that system to install your computer, all the same. So that when you click on a key or an alphabet, you hold it down, it will give you options of O with dot under, N with dot on top, anything you want, you will get it. Okay, so ebe ọbụla is right. Let's look at a sentence immediately. Wherever. He follows him wherever he goes. He follows him wherever he goes. Yes, he follows him wherever he goes. Ngwa, give me the sentence. Okay? Give me the sentence. You are all correct. Ebe ọbụla is wherever. Now let's have the sentence. Yeah. Let's have the sentence now. He follows him wherever he goes. Let's have the sentence. Yes. Drop the sentence now. I'm waiting for you. Drop the sentence now. He follows him wherever he goes. Drop your sentence. Drop your sentence. He follows him wherever he goes. Drop your Igbo version of this sentence. Perhaps you're seeing this video, you're seeing this live stream. Remember, this is the Igbo Tutor live. Here we drill ourselves to speak and understand Igbo language free of charge and real time. We practice all those things you have learned by watching videos here and there. We give you avenue to practice them by trying to understand the Igbo sound for words, Igbo meaning for words, and how to make simple sentences and some other Igbo grammatical, expressions. This is what we do here. This is the Igbo Tutor Live, drilling you on Igbo language. So wherever you are, from any part of the world, see me now. Whether you have Igbo channel, Igbo teaching channel or not, you can learn one or two things here, like Igbo No is here with us, or you are married to Igbo fiancé, Igbo friend, business partner, whoever you are, Igbo lover, come on board. Let's learn Igbo language together. Let's speak this language. Let's learn it. Let's have a drill. Let's challenge ourselves to Igbo language learning. You are welcome to class. So we are saying he follows him wherever he goes. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo language in the chat session. Many people have written. Let me see those who have written. Igbo. Ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Great effort. Chikezie, ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ gara. Ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Okay. They are both fine. Let me see Sherry Mango. Ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ gara. Good effort. We're going to look at all that. Tochi, ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Great effort. Yeah. Any other person trying to do something or say something? Let's look at them all together before we mark. Zoe and Young. Ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Great effort. Great effort. Great effort. Great effort. Yeah. If you know you have not hit the like button of this live session, you've not hit the share button to let this video go out to others, you are not doing well, you are not showing support for this channel, do that now. We will appreciate doing that. And if you are joining for the first time, remember you need to subscribe to our channel so that you can learn more. We have more videos in our channel, in our homepage, covering a wide range of subjects in Igbo language, but we do this every Saturday at a level of progress. So you are welcome to class. Now let's look at the responses. It appears none is coming in again. We'll look at the responses. He follows him wherever he goes. Who spoke first? Igbo wrote first. Ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Yeah, that's good. That's great. I agree with that 100%. Chikezie, ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ gara or ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Okay, I think ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga is better in this case. Ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga, wherever he goes, is present continuous. Okay, so ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga is better. Echeri Mango, ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ ga. No, not ebe ọbụla ọ ga. Ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga is better in this case. Tochi, ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Perfect. Zoe and Young, ọ na-eso ya ebe ọbụla ọ na-aga. Perfect. Your responses are great, top notch. We move on to the next one. Whichever is the next Igbo conjunction we're looking at. Whichever is the English version. Give me the Igbo version. Whichever. What is the Igbo version? Whichever. Okay, drop it quickly. Whichever. Nke ọbụla. Chikeze had dropped. Yes, Igbo, where are you? Nke ọbụla, I trust you. Who else is dropping? Whichever. Yes. Tochi, nke ọbụla. Great effort. Yes, drop your Igbo version of whichever. What is the Igbo version of that word? Whichever. We are dealing with Igbo conjunction in this live stream series. We began last week, Saturday, on this series. So if you've not joined us, you are missing a lot. If you join late, you are going to miss a lot. So the earlier you join the live sessions, the better for you. So you catch up with those ones we have done. And if you have missed our last session, you in fact, we began running live session for a very long time, for so many months now. Go to our homepage, click the live tab, and it will open all our live streams. They are all live teaching like this one. Watch all of them. I'm sure you missed many of them. Watch them today. And I can assure you, when you finish watching them, your Igbo speaking, skill will improve so much. I can guarantee you of that because they are really live. So we're talking about whichever now. And we're saying, write the Igbo version of whichever. And some people have written. Let's look at what they have written. I hope more people are going to drop their answers. Let me see those who have replied. Chikeze wrote Nkobola, Igbo Nkobola, Tochi Nkobola. Only 3 people among all of you. No, that is not acceptable. What is the Igbo version of whichever? Drop it now. Many of you have not dropped anything. Drop your response. Sherry Mango, where are you? Where are you? Drop your response. Okay? Whichever, the Igbo version. Okay? Abịala m ọzọ. Okay, Charles, I think you put up before. You left us before. Okay, I think Charles, you already have you have installed the Igbo keyboard, and I can see your Ozo is perfect now. Am I right? You have installed the Igbo keyboard. You are a good student, really. Okay, I love that. Am I right, Charles? Okay, so Charles, what we're talking about is whichever. Write the Igbo version of whichever. That's where we are before you come back. Okay. Yes, that's great. You're a good student, you're a listening student, and you're following through. Okay, so the word we're looking at, Charles, is whichever, and we're writing the Igbo version of it. Do you have idea? If you have idea, drop it now before we give the answer. Whichever. Yes? Have you done that? Waiting for Charles and any other person. Sherry Mango, where are you? Drop your word. Whichever. Okay? If you don't understand, you don't know it, then you learn from others. That's the beauty of this our life class. You will learn from other people. It's a community of learners. Okay? Now, those who have replied, Nkobula, your responses are correct. Whichever is Nke Obula. That is whichever, Nkobula. Now let's go to draw a sentence with whichever. Whichever you choose is okay. Whichever you choose is okay. Whichever you choose is okay. Okay, Charles, Nkobula, that's fine. But your bola is not correct. The you have dot under. Now you have you with dot under, you can apply it. So you must have dot under for Nkobula. But we are now making sentence. Whichever you choose is okay. That is the sentence now. Drop the Igbo version. Whichever you choose is okay. Nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma, that is Chikezie, waiting for others to drop their sentence. Nke ọbụla ka ị chọrọ dị mma, that is Charles. Zo and Young, nke ọbụla, you are still okay, you are still dropping the meaning of whichever, but we are already gone beyond that. We are in sentence making now. Bo yibo nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma, okay, great. Any other response coming in? Any other response coming in? And whilst we are waiting for the responses to come in, if you are seeing us on screen now, live, this is the Igbo tutor, Mazi Oka from live. Join us every Saturday by 2 p.m. or 1300 GMT, 2 p.m. Nigeria time. We always do this. We do Igbo drill every Saturday. Free teaching, live. You can't afford to miss it. This is where you measure your level of progress, learn new words, learn new sentences, and improve your Igbo learning through this channel. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do that now. Not only that, this channel will also reduce most of our important videos to ebooks, and they are all made available to whoever is interested. I'm sure every Igbo student will love those ebooks because they are unique. And also those my Igbo friends like Igbo Nono and the rest of them, you can learn a lot from those books. Why did I say so? The book has text and audio, and the audios are downloadable, which means you can download the audios and use them even offline. Listen to them while cooking, while driving, while doing laundry. You can listen to the audios, even when you are offline. So you have the book with you, the text, you have the audio with you downloaded, you listen to it anytime, any day. And I've covered about 10 books that if you are able to buy all of them, I'm sure after listening to them, you will accelerate your Igbo learning journey by over 100%. I can guarantee you of this. Those who have bought the book will testify. So the books are so cheap, $1 to $3, you are buying one of them. So with $25, you have all the 10 books with you. Download all of them, have access to them, play them by MP3, listen to them anytime, anywhere you are. So buy those books today. You will not regret doing that. And how do you get the books? Very simple. We go to our channel description, open the description of our channel, you see a link to our bookshop. Not only that, this particular video we are doing now, live, or the previous live sessions, open the video, the description box of that video, and this particular one, and then you see a link to our bookshop. Look at the pinned comments of our videos. You also see a link to the bookshop. You can't say you don't know where to buy the book. They are all everywhere. I told you about 3 sources. Channel description, number 1. The pinned comment to our previous live stream and other videos. You see it there. Number 2, you will see it in the description of the video itself. When you open it, you see a link to our ebook shop. You get the book from there. Very easy. Igbo, thank you for your sticker you bought for us. We appreciate so much. Those of you who are enjoying our class, show us appreciation, show us love, just like Igbo has done now. Give us stickers, give us flowers, highlight your text by buying a super chat. We appreciate that. That is the only way you can support the channel and help us to do more. This is a free teaching. We don't charge anything on this. We just make sacrifice, but we need to cover our costs. We spend money to be online. We spend money to prepare lessons, so it will not be out of place if you give us a sticker, buy a chat for us, and then support the channel. And most importantly, go and check out bookshop and buy those books. Thank you for doing that. Chukwugoziegi. We are moving on now. And then we are talking about whichever you choose is okay. That's the sentence. Okay, and people are writing. Somebody have written nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma. Nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma. Tochi. Nke ọbụla ị họrọ ọ dị mma. Okay, these are great contributions. Any other person writing? Okay, let me begin from the marking now. Chikeze wrote nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma. Perfect, great. Chance. Nke ọbụla ka ị chọrọ dị mma. No, Chance, you would have removed ka from your sentence. It would have been nke ọbụla ị chọrọ dị mma. That would have been acceptable. So remove ka. Nke ọbụla ị chọrọ dị mma. Okay, but choose actually is họrọ. Nke ọbụla ị chọrọ, chọrọ is want. Whichever you want, that is chọrọ. But if you are dealing with this word, choose, is actually họrọ. And I want to emphasize the double O in họrọ, like Chikeze wrote. It's not one O. If you write one O, it becomes nke ọbụla ị họrọ. No. Họrọ is 2 O's. You are going to draw it longer. Nke ọbụla ị họrọ. If you use only one O, it becomes select or choose. But in this case, we use the past tense for this expression, which is họrọ. Which is, you draw it a little bit longer or use double O for it. That was why Chikeze's own is very perfect. Okay, I go to who else has written? Okay, who else has written? I've talked about Charles. Zo Nkobola. Igbo Nkobola ihoro dị mma. That's the only correction I'm making for Igbo. Is double O, not one O. Zo and Young Nkobola ihoro dị mma. Okay, you are Bola. I think there's a typographical error in your Bola. Okay, you didn't check it very well. Zo and Young. You wanted to write A, but you wrote S. It becomes something S. Then you are in horror is double O. Tochi, nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma. Okay, Tochi, nke ọbụla ị họrọ dị mma. Yeah, the horror had to be double O, and that's fine. You made effort. Sherry Mango, I'm trying to send super chat. Oh yeah, try harder. Sherry Mango, try. You have to send it today. You cannot miss to send that super chat today. Buy big money, not buy small money. I'm trying to, okay, Chikezie, that's why I'm the captain. Oh yes, now Chikezie, you are the captain. I know, nobody is challenging you for this captainship, except the day you don't come to class. Igbo will take over. She's the assistant class captain, officially declared. Why Chikezie is the class captain? Fine. So that's great. We've done this. Let's go on. The next word we're looking at is odo. 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 What is the Igbo version of odo? Odo. What is the Igbo version? Yeah, shoot it now. Odo. What is that? Odo. What is that in Igbo language? Odo. Ngwa, you deserve it very well. Chikezie. Of course, Chikezie deserves class captainship. He deserves it. He deserves it. So, Igbo, you are the assistant class captain. In absence of class captain, you take over. So, you're always there, and you will never miss class. Okay, we are looking at Odo. that is the word. What is the Igbo version? Although, what is the Igbo version? Chikezie has written, n'agbanyeghị. Okay, any other person? Any other version? Okay, any other version? Although. What is the Igbo version of the word? Although. Yes. What is the Igbo version? Although. Obeziena. Okay. Good effort. Yeah. It's getting tougher. I understand. So, although, what is the Igbo version? What is the Igbo version of although? Yeah. Although. What is the Igbo version? What is the Igbo version of although? I got 2 responses. What are the rest doing? You are lost. It's too hard for you. You don't know. Just put you, I don't know. Am I him? Let's know you don't know. So we don't wait for you. We can go on and give the answer. If we see that many people don't know it. Although, that is the essence of being in class. What you don't know, you know it. That's why we are here. That's why you need to be on live teaching like this one. It's not after. You get instant response, instant correction, and you take note immediately, right? Although, so who else is trying on this aspect? Who else? Although, if you don't know it, say I don't know it. Okay, Tochi, that's fine. Am I simple? Am I? Let me hear. Let me know you don't know so that we can move on. Don't hold us down. If you don't know it, say am I here? I don't know. Charles Ubochi, great. I don't know. That's what you should write if you don't know. So that we can move on fast and cover more. So it's not compulsory you know. If you know everything that we're going to say in the class, it means you don't need to be in the class. But if you don't know some or you know some, that is the importance of being in class. Those ones you know how to use them. Those ones you don't know, you know it, and then you use it in the future. That's the beauty of being in this class. So now let's look at the answers. The class captain got it. N'agbanyeghị or agbanyeghị. Although. Look at the spelling, the way you wrote it. That is the way it should be written. But you can remove N and put agbanyeghị. Depends on the way you want, where you want to use it. You can use agbanyeghị or n'agbanyeghị. Both are correct. So that is the word for although. Look at what Chikezie wrote. Please update your notes if you are writing notes. That is the word for although. N'agbanyeghị. Okay? That is very correct. Agbanyeghị or n'agbanyeghị. Thank you, class captain, for rescuing everybody in this case. So let others take note. Write it up now in your note. I'm sure whenever you're coming to class, you are coming with biro and paper to write. I have mine. I also write to keep track of whatever we are doing. So you must always be writing. Okay? Although, so let's have a sentence. Let's have a sentence now. Although you are fine, I will not marry you. Although you are fine, I will not marry you. Don't mind me, I've already married you. But for the purpose of this lesson, although you are fine, I will not marry you. Give me the sentence. Although you are fine, I will not marry you. Give me the Igbo version. Yes. The game is up. Although you are fine, comma, I will not marry you. Nye ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Give it to me in Igbo language. Nye ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Nye ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Nye ya n'asụsụ Igbo. I'm waiting for you. Nye ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Even up till now, some of us have not clicked the like button for this video. Unfair. Some have not shared it. Unfair. You don't like your teacher. It's not good. Okay. I'm waiting for the rest. Chikezie, the class captain, has written. What are the other people writing? N'agbanyeghị na ị mara mma, agaghị m alụ gị. Charles, agbanyeghị ị mara mma, agaghị m lụọ gị. Good effort. I love that. Oh yeah, what are the other people doing? 2 people have written, Chikezie and Charles Ubochi. Who else is dropping the response? Although you are fine, I will not marry you. Agbanyeghị ị mara mma, agaghị m lụọ gị. Boyibo. Good effort. Yes. What are the rest people doing? You are just listening and copying. That's fine. but also try to participate and contribute. By so doing, those areas you made mistake today, when it is corrected, it will stick into your brain. You will not make that mistake again. That is the beauty of practicing. You will remember. You will see my face when you want to say it next time. You will remember what I said. You remember the thing, the way some other people wrote it, some other people wrote it. Those things are all coming together into your system, into your brain, and accumulating. Before you know it, you start flowing. You start flowing like a river of water. You start speaking. There's no other way to learn language than to practice it. Make mistakes, correct yourself, learn from your mistake, move on. The mistake you make today, you not repeat it tomorrow because you have learned it. And then you are building the vocabulary day in, day out until you are perfect, right? So who else is trying to write something? Although you are fine, I will not marry you. That's the English word sentence which we are converting to Igbo. Although you are fine, I will not marry you. Try to write something. And if you don't know what to write, just say it. So we know we are not waiting for you. Say, am I him? I don't know. Am I him? I don't know. At least you have know how to write am I him now. Don't you know how to write am I him? And I know other people know how to write am I him. So you can write am I him. So we know we're not waiting for you again. We'll move on. Okay? Who else is writing? I got response from only 3 people. Onye na-ede? Kedu onye chọrọ ide nke ya? Onye chọrọ ide? Who want to write? Onye na-ede ede? Who is writing? Right? Kedu ndị na-amaghị ya? Who are those who don't know it? Wuo ya ọsịsọ. Say it quickly. So we move on. Okay? Yeah? I'm waiting for your response. Either I don't know it. Okay, don't you say, am I him? Good. You say something. Am I him? Yeah. Anamabia. Or whatever. Let's hear from you. Or you write what you think it is. Okay? Anybody still writing? Want to address it? Want to mark it now? Okay, want to mark now. Want to mark now. Okay. Chikezie wrote, n'agbanyeghị na ị mara mma, agaghị m alụ gị. Great work. Charles wrote, agbanyeghị ị mara mma. Okay, Charles would have added n'ị mara mma. N'ị mara mma. That would be perfect. You know, add that. N'ị mara mma. Okay, add it. N'ị mara mma. Agaghị m lụọ gị. It's not agaghị m lụọ gị. Agaghị m alụ gị. It's not agaghị m lụọ gị. Agaghị m alụ gị. I hope Charles is not bringing in local dialect or Owerri dialect into what we're doing. This is Central Igbo, so don't use Owerri dialect into this this class. So it's not Agam Log, it's not Owerri dialect we're using here. It's Central Igbo. It's Agam Alogi. Okay, Agam Alogi Igbo. Abanyeghị ị mara mma. That's I've corrected this one. Abanyeghị na ị mara mma, not abanyeghị ị mara mma. Abanyeghị na ị mara mma, na ị mara mma. Okay, agaghị m, not agaghị m lụọ gị, agaghị m alụ gị, agaghị m alụ gị. I hope Tochi has taken note of what I'm saying and you are making correction. Tochi, if you understand what I've said so far, can you write the correct sentence now? Agbanyeghị na ị mara mma, agaghị m alụ gị. Can you write the correct one now? You can also see the chart of other people and pick them up from there. Chikezie's own is very perfect and correct. So I use that as a corrected version. I use that Chikezie own as correction. Chikezie McDonald, look at his own chart. That is the correct version. Okay, we are moving on now to the next one. Okay, can you please repeat? Okay, I repeat again. Agbanyeghị na ị mara mma, agaghị m alụ gị. Agbanyeghị na ị mara mma, agaghị m alụ gị. That is, I believe Tochi has had me enough now. So we move to the next one. The next conjunction is if. If. N'agbanyeghị na ị mara mma, agaghị m alụ. Tochi, perfect. I love that. Tochi, that is a perfect work. That's perfect, Tochi. That means you are listening very well. Perfect. Please update your notebook with this. So the next word is if. What is if in Igbo language? If. If. What is that in Igbo language? If. I-F. What is it in Igbo language? If. If. Yes. Drop it. Drop it now. I'm waiting for you. What is if in Igbo language? I-F. Oborona. Any other answer? Waiting for you. If. Oborona. Okay, Tochi. Okay, waiting for others. Igbo Igbo. Oborona. Okay. Any other person? If. Igbo version of the word if. Igbo version of the word if. Yes, give it to me. Igbo version of the word if. Any other person coming in? Any other person coming in? Sherry Mango, what is the problem with your super chat or super sticker? Is it that the currency is not displayed in your own? They can always convert now. What is the problem? I don't know what is the problem. Why you cannot buy your sticker or chat. Other people too, we expect you to show appreciation and love to your teacher. Give us a super sticker, give us a chat. And those of you who are going to watch this video later on when it's uploaded to our channel, remember there is a super tank. Under there, you see tank with a $ under, hit it, and then give us a super tank. We will appreciate you. God will bless you for supporting us in the channel. So we can have money to cover our costs and remain online and come up every time to teach you and guide you. That is important. Chikezie, Ambrona, or Ma. Okay. 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 We're going on. Any other option? Any other option? If. Okay, let's look at the answers. Chikezie, Madonna, Obrona. Okay. Okay. Okay, sometimes ma work also. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's all right. Okay. Okay. So oborona. Also ma oboro. You can't just say ma alone and it will represent if. You just say ma. Okay. No, it doesn't really work very well. Okay. Ma works better when you're talking about birth. Ma works also with and in some circumstances. Ma can be used for and. Yeah, manka, also manka, and this and that. Okay, mana also. Okay, but also can also go for ma. But when it comes to if as a word, ma doesn't really go with that. It's actually oborona or ma oboro or oboro. Okay, because it's a conditional word. Okay, it's a conditional word. Kiki is asking me where I'm from. I'm from Kiki. This is the first time you're joining our class. You're welcome to class. So first you greet us. You say Ndewo or no. That's how we, mark our register. So we pick you all the same. We picked your name from your comment and chat. Kiki, I'm teaching from Nigeria, where Igbo language is the dominant language. Nigeria is the base of Igbo language. So I'm speaking from the foundation and the base of Igbo language from Nigeria. So Kiki, what do you want me to do for you? We have live classes too. Some of us here are in my live class and they are doing very well. They are improving so much by virtue of participating in my live class. So if you're interested in having a live class with me, private live classes, I also offer that, and many people are also participating in that, depending on your choice. If you want to apply for live personal teaching, send us email, okay? Send us email to theibotutor@gmail.com. If you want a live private class, ibotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor, not Igbo Tutor, the Igbo Tutor@gmail.com. Just like our channel name, the Igbo Tutor. Just add @gmail.com, no space. And then we can discuss the terms for your live private teaching. Very important. I don't know how to pay super chat. Okay. You don't know how to pay super chat. I think there are icons under this live chat, this live stream. There are icons under, which has a chat icon or whatever. You hit it, it will open up the options of the type of chat and the amount. You hit the one you choose, depending on the amount. We have stickers and chats. You hit it under this video, this live lesson, and then it will open up the options. You choose whichever you want, select it. It will go straight to your card and pick the money from there, and then display it here immediately, talking to Sherry Mango. Okay? So if you try that, it doesn't work, then after the class, whatever you want to do for us, let us know. We'll tell you how to do it. All right. So I've talked to, McDonald said, okay, give him water if he cries. Nye ya mmiri ma obee akwa, ma obee akwa. Okay, I'm looking at that. If you want, ma icho, okay, is it correct or not? Not, please. Okay, nye ya ma icho, ma icho. Actually, that maicho is actually a short form of saying maoboro nature. Is a short form of it. You know, so many words in Igbo, sometimes they cut it. Even names, they cut part of it and use. So that word, maicho, is actually maoboro nature. Maoboro nature, but it is cut for short. And then they pick ma and drop the rest of the word. Okay? So that is the way it actually goes. That ma there is Marlboro. There is the full version, the full word there is Marlboro. But they pick ma and leave the other ones behind. Okay, Sherry Mango, say your region is not allowing you to do that. That's fine. We can always chat after our lesson, our WhatsApp group. Tell us what you want to do. We will give you how to get it across to us. After all, if you drop the money here, YouTube will take 45% of it away. So you hold on after the class. If you want to do anything for us, let us know. You know my chat, okay? You know my chat. You can always chat on WhatsApp. Tell us what you have in mind. We'll tell you how to pass it across to us. Thank you very much. So Kiki, let's go on. Okay, Kiki say, oh, ha, oh, whoa. Okay, Kiki, I believe you heard all I said about the live class. Kiki, also we have ebooks that you can always access. Download the audio. It has text, it has audio for download, for keeps. When you are even offline, you can listen to the audio and look at the text and the pictures and the wordings. We have them also in this channel. So if you want to buy those ebooks, talking to Kiki now, you go to our channel description. The link is there. This live session we're doing now, the link is in the description. Previous live sessions, the link is in the description. Pin comments, the links to our bookshop is there. You can avail yourself of any of the books. So cheap, $1 to $3. You buy each of them. Audio, text combined, 2-in-1 for the price of peanuts. Okay? And then you can buy even 10 of them for $25. 10 books, all for you. So Kiki, just avail yourself of the opportunity. Buy the books, subscribe to our channel, watch previous videos. I request apply for live teaching private lessons if you want through our email, theigbotutor@gmail.com. Thank you very much. We'll move on. And then, have we done the sentence with if? I don't think. Let's do the sentence. Let me have it. I will give you if you win. I will give you if you win. I will give you if you win. Of course, talking of competition, give you something. Mommy is talking to a child. I will give you if you win. Let's have that in Igbo version. Kiki, please indicate if you understand all I said about the live private class, about the books and other things I said. Kiki, please indicate that they are clear to you, and indicate if you're going to buy our books after this class or you want to apply for live private lessons, which one you want. Kiki, please indicate. I've given a sentence now, and I said, I will give you if you win. Condition. Write that in Igbo. I will give you if you win. Yes, I will give you if you win. Write that in Igbo. I will give you if you win. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. While I'm waiting for all of you to drop your responses, remember, there is also channel membership for this channel now. If you want to join as a member of the channel with added special advantages, including free ebook every month, free live teaching, free member of a chat group for daily Igbo conversation, and so many other things like that. If you want to join our membership, hit the join button, the black join button under this video or our previous videos. Just hit the join button and join membership for very cheap price. Although I don't know how much they are quoting for EU countries, but for dollar, it's about $2 or so for the first group, first level, and then maybe $4 or $5 for second level and thereabouts. So very cheap. So you can join up now. Okay, Muga enyegi ma imere. Muga enyegi ma imere. Okay, I'm seeing the answers. Let me look at them. Okay, Chikezeso said, aga m enyegi ma oburu imerie. Okay, okay, Igbo, aga m enyegi ma oburu imerie. Good effort. Sherry Mango. Muga enyegi ma imere. Okay, remember it is if you win. If you win. Okay, Igbo, aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị merie. Okay, that's the corrected version, and that's better. Okay, Clement Ndewo coming very late to class, but better late than never. Okay, Ndewo Clement. Okay, aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị merie. Great, great, great. Can I mark now, or anybody still coming in? Okay, I think I should mark. Let me look at all you've wrote. Kiki, I'm waiting for your response. You've not given me a final response on all I explained to you. Okay, waiting for your response. Kiki. Okay, you say, okay, sir, thanks for the explanation. Okay. Chike say, aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị merie. Aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị merie. Great, great. Boyibo, of course, let me read the last one because you did a correction. Aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị merie. Great, that's correct. Sherry Mango, mụ ga-enye gị ma ị merie. Oh, you almost got it, but you wrote at the last, you wrote ma ị mere instead of merie, M-E-R-E-R-I-E, merie, win, that is merie, that's for Igbo. I mean for Sherry Mango, that's the correction. Clement Emehendewo, welcome. Aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ iziza. I don't understand. What I said is, if you win, I don't know why you wrote iziza there. Clement Emehen. Okay, it is obru na imerie. That is the right word from what I wrote. Yes. Now we have dealt with if. We are going to the next one, unless. What is the Igbo version for the word unless? Okay, somebody want to join this stream. Okay, I don't know why they are asking me to welcome you to this stream. You are supposed to join this free stream. Oh, you want a video, but I'm afraid your video is not clear enough. I can't see you. You light up where you are, so we can see you clearly. Others want to also see your face. I think you can see mine very well. So let's see your face, my friend. Your lighting is very, very poor. Very, very poor. I wish I can see your face. Okay. Now, somebody joined with a video, but we have to allow that. That is his choice. Maybe you want to see the Igbo tutor. You want to see my face, so we have to allow him to do that. So I welcomed him. Okay. The word we're looking at is unless, and we're looking at the Igbo version of the conjunction unless. What is the Igbo version? My friend on video, unfortunately, I can't see your face. Aha, that's better. Perfect. That's better. Yeah, that's better. You're welcome.
Okay.
Remind me of your name.
Obi.
I think I've seen you. Oh, you are in my life class. Even though you ran away, you attended one class and ran away. So I didn't see you again. That is Obina, right? That is Obina. Obina has gone again. Okay. Obina, come back to class. Oh, today you come to class. Don't run away. Oh. I'm waiting for you. So we're talking about unless. Yes, unless. What is the Igbo version? Somebody wrote Ogulama. Yes. Any other contribution to that? Unless. Obina, where are you now? Unless. Yes. Unless. Okay. Ogulama. Many people are writing Ogulama. Okay. Unless. Any other person, any other view? Any other view? Unless. Obina, where are you now? You show your face and run away again. What is the problem with you? Unless. Okay. Yeah, I was asking. You are Obina, right? I want to be
Yes.
sure you are the one.
Yes.
Okay. Of course, I can't hear you, but I can see you, but I can't hear you. Because this is a phone version, it's not a computer version. So,
Okay.
but I can see you, so you can write. I will not hear you. You have to be writing. Drop a chat because I can't hear you, Obina. So,
Okay.
but I can see you clearly. So this is what Obina is one on video. Is one of my students in life, private life lesson. Although he's always very busy like an ant, he never come to class again. So he loves work and school and everything, and then he has no time for learning. I've tried to encourage him. Still, he's not coming up. But I hope he will repent.
Oh
I
yes,
hope
I
he
will.
repents and come to class. He's
Yeah.
promising he's going to repent. Okay, we're talking about unless, and that is the word we're looking at today, the Igbo version of the word unless, which is a conjunction. Some people wrote ogulama. Some wrote ogulama. Many of you wrote ogulama. Any other person trying to say something different from this? Or is that all the consensus? Is that what we have as a consensus? Ogulama. Okay, if that is it, I will. I have my own version of it, and what I use is nanima. Nanima. Yeah, nanima. It's double A, N-double-A-N-I with dot under the I, then M-A. Nanima. But all the chance are, the efforts you guys made are very encouraging. Ogulama is also acceptable, unless Ogulama. In some part, some people prefer to use Ogulama or Nanima. But Nanima means only if, and that is actually unless, only if something happen, a condition. Okay, so let's have a sentence with that unless you pass, you will repeat the class. Unless you pass, you will repeat the class. Can we write that in Igbo? Okay, can we write that in Igbo? Unless you pass, you will repeat the class. Unless you pass, comma, you will repeat the class. What is that in Igbo? Somebody should try. Right. Let me see what you come up with. Unless you pass, comma, you will repeat the class. Right. Let me see what you come up with. Waiting for you. Class captain, I'm waiting for you. Assistant class captain, Boyibo, I'm waiting for you. Drop the word, drop the sentence, but use nanima. I prefer you use that. Nanima. Those of you that are coming to class late, this class is ending in 12 minutes time. So try to come to class on time. We have our time. So let's maintain our time and always respect that. It's 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Let's block it out in our calendar and always maintain that. And let me also say this, that next Saturday, there won't be class next Saturday because I'll be going for a church program on Saturday. We have our national Easter retreat, and I'll be there leading the team that will be interpreting English to Igbo to the congregation. And that is my basic work in the church. I interpret English language to Igbo language for our people to understand the word of God. So I'll be busy on Saturday doing that in the church. So there won't be any live class next Saturday. This is a public announcement. Take note of that. Okay, we are talking about Igbo wrote, Naanị ma ị gafere, ị ga-akwụgharị class. Okay, good effort. Good effort. Yeah, any other person trying, unless you pass, you will repeat the class. Unless you pass. Sheri Mango, naanị ma ị mere, agaghị gị class. Okay, good effort. I love all those efforts. Any other person trying? Okay, nke a dị mma. Okay, are you asking me a question or you are asking whether your answer is correct? Are you telling me something or you are asking me a question? Igbo. Are you saying this one is good or are you asking me a question whether what you wrote is correct? Okay, Chigeze has written, Naanị ma ị gafere na ule, ị ga-agụgharị klaasị ya. Great. Ị ga-agụgharị, you repeat. Ị ga-agụgharị ya, you know. So ịgụ akwụkwọ is to go to school, you know. So gụgharị is to repeat that, read it again. The literal meaning of gụgharị is read again. Repeat the reading. Okay? So, Amayim, don't you say Amayim? Okay, let's mark it since many people don't know it. Okay, Igbo, naanị ma ị gafere. That, to that extent, that is correct. Naanị ma ị gafere is correct. Naanị ma ị gafere is correct. Let's see what follows. Ị ga-akwụgharị class. He would have written ị ga-agụgharị class. That would have been perfect. Ị ga-agụgharị, not kwụgharị, gụgharị, G-U, dot under the U, and then G-H-A-R-I, which is that is the right version. Ị ga-agụgharị class. Okay, that would have been perfect. So Chikezie, naanị ma ị gafere na ule. Of course, you added in exam, even though I didn't add exam. So that's why I said naanị ma ị gafere would have been okay for what I said. But you added extra. I didn't put exam because you don't know which one I'm talking about. Okay, but exam means ule. Ị ga-agụgharị class here. Okay, you repeat the class. That's perfect. Naanị ma ị mere, no. That is Sheri Mango. Agaghị ego, no. Agaghị gị class, no. It's naanị ma ị gafere. Ị ga-agụgharị. You is still there. It is you. Ị ga-agụgharị class. You will read the class again. Okay? Igbo, I admire your effort in translating to Igbo at church. Yeah, that is the basic. In fact, that's why I picked the inspiration to speak Igbo language. That is what I've been doing for over 20 years. I've been doing it in church for over 20 years, from my youthful age. The first work I did when I joined the church was to pick interpreting English to Igbo, to the elderly ones, to the illiterate people in the church, to the less educated people. That is what I began doing in the church until today. I'm pastoring Igbo church. The church I pastor, we teach in Igbo language, we speak Igbo language, we preach the word of God with Igbo language. That is where I got a passion for Igbo, the zeal for Igbo, the desire for Igbo, and the rest is history. Right, thank you, Igbo. Sheri Mango, can you read the Igbo Bible? Wow, you are asking me whether I can read the Igbo Bible. I say I teach with Igbo, I preach Igbo, I talk Igbo, I write Igbo Bible. That is my job in the church. I don't just read, I use it to preach every Sunday, every day. I don't read the English Bible, I read Igbo Bible. Basically, that's what I use to preach. So Sheri Mango, that is the answer to your question. Okay? So I don't just read. In fact, if you want me to come and read it online for you, I will be reading online for you if you want. Okay? Tonu onye nwe anyị Jesus. Igwe, hallelujah. Chikezie, God bless you. Chineke gozie unu niile. So, that's where I got the inspiration to teach Igbo language and interpret it. That's my basic job. So, right. So now we've done this one. We're going to the next one because, which I think might be the last for today. Our time is fast spent. Because, I'm doing because. Okay, what is because in Igbo language? Because. Because. So, what is because in Igbo language? Makana. Okay. Maka. Let's see. What is because? Any other person saying anything? Because. 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 Okay, I'm waiting for you. I never accept the answer. Only one person has said something. Because. Okay, because. The Igbo version for the word because. What is the word? What is the word? While we are waiting, Maka. Okay, short by. This is the first time you are joining our channel. You're welcome to class. Okay, talking to short bio. I can't pronounce that very well. I hope I can get your real name. This AKA sometimes breaks my jaw. Okay, Makana. Okay, you people are trying, but I want more response because. Because. I'm waiting for other versions. Don't copy what other people are writing. Write what is in your mind. Because, or what do you think? Because. What is it in Igbo? Okay. Because. What is that in Igbo language? Because. Any other person saying something? Okay. Anybody still saying something? Because. What is that in Igbo language? Because. Yes. Is Obi? I prefer that. Obi, no. Okay, the same person. The same person. Which Obi is that? Obi? I'm trying to remember the Obi. Obi, the same person. Except I get your full name. Okay. Okay, Obi. Okay, Klaus, something Klaus. Shoibi. Is that Shoibi or something like that? Shoibi. Is that the same person? Is that Shoibi? Wake cost or something like that? I hope I'm right. So maybe you correct me. Yeah, I was just on video call with you. Okay, Obina. Okay, Obina. Okay, Obina, you are the one. I see. That's fine. Obina, I remember. Okay, that's fine. So we are dealing with the word because. Okay, Sherimango, you are so EBI. I'm trying to connect the thing. So it's Obina, I know the name now. The word we are dealing with is because. Most of you wrote maka, but I refuse to agree with you. We use maka for the word for. Although because can also go for maka, but it depends on the circumstance. But the actual word that is because in Igbo is nihi. That is the actual word that is for because. Nihi. Can somebody write that? That is it. Nihi. That is the real word, that is because. In some cases, maka can come in, but maka is actually for. That is actually for. But because is nihi. So look at what Chikeze wrote, nihi, that is because. If you are writing, copy that. It's not maka, it's nihi. Do that. So we now go to the, I've given you the word now, we go to the sentence. I will buy it because it is cheap. I will buy it because it is cheap. I will buy it because it is cheap. We're already moving to the sentence. Please write now. I will buy it because it's cheap. Yeah, that is because. Nihi. Okay? Nihina. Okay? I've given the sentence already. I will buy it because it's cheap. Oh yeah, challenges on the ground. I will buy it because it's cheap. While we are waiting for responses, do remember to show us some love. show us appreciation, give us your sticker, give us your super chat. Go to the description of this video. You will see the link to our bookshop. Pick up some books from there. Go to our channel description. You see a link to our bookshop. Pick up some Igbo books from there. You need them to advance your Igbo learning and move faster. Then, if you are interested in joining our membership, hit the join button below and join today. These things are important to us. Don't forget any of them. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Very important to us. We love you, and your support for this channel is appreciated. And because of our support, we are always coming on. We are always keeping to our time. We are always giving you all we need to give you to see that you learn to speak and write Igbo language. So if you think we are doing well, if you think we deserve appreciation, why not show it to us? Give us a super chat, a super thank, a sticker. Buy our books today, and God will bless you as you do. So we are talking about, I will buy it because it is cheap. That is the sentence. That will be the last for today. So let's look at those who have dropped it. Sherimango say, Gazo taram ihe nihina. You caught it. You didn't finish the sentence. Nihina is because, and then you stop there. You didn't continue to complete it is cheap. Your fuel finished, Sherimango, Shoibi. Your fuel finished halfway. You didn't complete your sentence. You didn't write because it is cheap. Chikeze wrote, Agamazoya nihina odiyono as a version. Let's see what other people wrote. Tochi mga ya nihina odiyono ala. Perfect, great. Tochi, you blow me away. This is great because it is cheap. Odiyono ala. Odiyono is also good. It's like saying it's not expensive. But when it comes to it, it's cheap. Odiyono ala. Cheap. Tochi, you finish everybody here. Yes, that is it. Onoala, cheap, low price, onoala. That is the word. So Tochi and Igbo, you beat a class captain in this one. Even though Odiono is also good, Odiono means it's not expensive. That is Odiono. But in this case, Odiono is cheap. So I give it to Tochi and Igbo in this aspect. So I want to thank you for coming to class today. Our time is up. It's 1 hour, 30 minutes of being here. And we appreciate your time. You are coming online, your sacrifice to learning Igbo language, your gifts from Igbo that gave us a sticker. And those who will still give us, as this class is ending, I'm sure more people are going to give us stickers. If you think we've done something, you've learned something from us today, please give us your sticker, give us a super chat. Use a super chat to thank us as we round up and appreciate our effort. Help us to cover our costs so that we can always come online to do what we do. Remember that for those of you who are joining, new members, new students, you need the ebooks to learn faster. And the ebooks are unique because they have the text, pictures, audio, which is downloadable, and you'll be kept in your phone or computer for life. You will always listen to them any moment. Even when you are offline, you can listen to me talking to you, teaching you. That is so important. Go to the description box of this video. You see the link to our bookshop. Check the description of our channel itself. You will see a link to our bookshop. Buy those books today, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for being here today. Komesia, see you upper Saturday, not this coming Saturday, upper Saturday. I told you, coming Saturday I'll be in the church. See you then. Chugoziegi. Bye. Kemesia.